Hey, how's it going? So here we are at the end of the year, and I thought I would bring to you how we fared budgeting food for the whole year. So did you know that the actual person will spend about £46, 25 pence per person? And that can be quite a lot. But we actually spent less than that over the whole year. Now, bear in mind, we are a family of five. We've got three teenagers that eat at our house and home. So that does give you a little bit of grace when it comes to budgeting. But as I said there, we undercut ourselves by quite a lot. So keep with me and we'll go through some facts and figures over this year. And you'll be actually quite surprised where we are. So the best thing is we didn't cut any of our good stuff. But what we did, we planned better. And that's the key. We actually planned better. So across the full year, when we added everything together, so this is our food shopping every week. This is eating out. This is our takeaways, little treats and trips. This is including pet food because we've got a lot of pets in this home. All of that. You ready for this? We spent, and it seems a lot, but it's not, £11,000 and 41p. I know it seems quite a lot, but like I said, we didn't go without. We still had all of our takeaways and treats and tricks. And so as you can see there, if we look at February for this year, you can see there we had a couple of takeaways, and we even had a date night, which was on my fiance's birthday, which was absolutely bloody delicious. So the thing is, we all are feeling this pinch. We really are. There are a lot of products that have gone up. The beef and chocolate's gone up about 24% this year. Lamb's gone up about 20%. But there are a couple of items that have come down, like fish, fruit, jams, have come down around between 2 and 4%. But it doesn't make that much difference because everything is going up. And I think we have all noticed that over the past year. But how did we save? Well, what we did, we paid attention to what we were spending. We planned better. We checked our cupboards. We cooked smarter. And with all of that, we managed to save in total over 1,400 quid over the year against the national comparison, national average. And I know everyone's budget's very different, but this is where we came in. And just a quick fact for you, if you spent 40 quid on just a pizza night once a week, did you know if you just cut that out, that would be £2,000 a year. So don't get rid of it. Have your pizza nights. But maybe instead of having pizza night from a takeaway once a week, make it homemade. Get the family involved. And this is what this channel is all about. This is about bringing great family food on a budget, tasty, delicious, and what everybody can get involved with. So I want to set a challenge for me and my family. I want you to join me, and I want to see if we can smash my 1,400 quid deficit this year to over £2,000. If you want to join me on this, like and subscribe, follow the journey, and you'll also see some more budget-friendly recipes on my page. Check out my blog. Everything's broken down on there, full descriptions, full write-ups, and you'll absolutely love it. So as we say, looks good, let's eat. Join me into 2026. Let's make this the year where we can save a fortune and just still have those indulgences. See you later.